So here's my solution. I'm going to show you the image. Jonathan Livingston Seagull. Come here, baby. Kind of dies there. I'd have to change, make the font smaller right there. Add a breakpoint. How do you make fonts dynamically change in size as you change your screen size? Anybody know? Alan?
Say again?
Make the font change in size as I change this?
I think that would be
Breakpoints or and reset it or what? Because here, no, it doesn't fit.
that would be how you justify the font percentage in the first place. You know how we were talking about it, I guess a week or so ago, how your font size is based on your primary
Rims, M's, percentages. Can you do a percent size font size? But percent would look up to its next, the percent of whatever my parent is, I guess, right?
Right. So if you based it on your width, your page width, something else.
How many people got this one? Cool. So my code was, I took my header, that's where my image is, and to center the text, display flex, justify content, align items. So if I turn my borders on, hot pink for the header, hot pink for the H1. Let me take this out for a moment. Okay. So that's what the center did. And so display flex, justify content, centers along the primary axes, which is horizontal because it's a row, and align items along the vertical axes. And the header is 100%, so this is centering it in the middle of the header area. And then I just said the text color is white, font size is bigger, 6 rems, and then text align center. I'll show you why that was important, because as I bring this over, right, it's over on the left now, right? Because I've said center this element H1, so the H1 is centered, and the H1 takes up the whole width. It's a block level element. And then this text is considered an element in and of itself. It's considered a node. The content of an element is a node in and of itself in the DOM tree. Okay? And so I never, the centering, this is the flex container, and this is what got centered, which it still is centered. Like if I put the width on that of, 100 pixels, right, that's still centered, that container. It's taking up the whole width, but the text inside it isn't centered. So text align center, just inside of an element will center the text in that element. So I don't have to do all the flexbox stuff. So text align center is a good little tool. And then I added padding here just to move that guy down and position it. Would anybody have any other suggestions other than padding for moving that text down? Padding on the top? Yeah, I just wanted the text down from being in the middle of the center. I'm just wondering if anybody else had any other ideas for, padding moves it down. Margin probably would have moved it down, right? Instead of padding top, I could have maybe done margin top. Padding lets me kind of see what, happened with the box a little. I think between those two, I like margin. Anyhow, that was mine. Okay? Anybody have any questions? How many people are liking this? Cool. All right. So we'll do another challenge here.